Welcome educators. Today we are going to learn about Edmingle's new website builder.
Before we hop into the website and app setup, let's make sure you have a few things sorted out. So go to brand settings and make sure you have uploaded your logo and Favicon over here. Favicon is just the icon of the browser tab, and brand color only affects the student dashboard thing, so you don't have to mess with it. Also, you can mess with it if you want to change it. Okay, jumping into the website builder, go to website and app setup, then website, then open website builder. So अभी हम website builder में आ चुके हैं. So we have two sections over here, pages and themes. Themes में basically color and typography हम choose कर सकते हैं. So in the themes I have already sorted out my colors. बस आपको hex color paste करना है. Hex is just this 6-digit code which you have in, तुम्हारे पास होगा already, तुम्हारे designers के पास वगैरह. Just copy the hex and paste it in this box. Simple as that. So I have already done things. So after you alter it, make sure you have changed saved the thing. Like save it. Save करना कभी मत भूलना, नहीं तो पूरा मेहनत बर्बाद. Also we have typography over here. For this tutorial I have choose this font number 41, which I like. It's called Hebo. So also save it when you change it. Okay, so currently I have been saving it. Okay, moving on to the pages section, we have header and footer. Now this part is not tricky, but let me explain it to you quickly. So in the sign up, basically what we can do in this checkbox is hide or unhide the sign up button. Simple as that. Behavior, we have two things, sticky or non-sticky. Sticky means it sticks when you scroll. You can see the header is sticking on the top. Non-sticky means scroll karte jayega upar. Now the height. Height is just the height of the header. Also remember that it alters the company's logo size, so keep that in mind. So yep, save it before you go back. Also links are this small links on the left beside the buttons. Yeah, to add a new link you just click on this add new link and a new link pop-ups, default link. So you can rename it like name. Okay. Yeah, you can also paste the URL or choose it from the custom pages list. Once you have pasted your URL, you can also choose it to open in a new tab or not open in a new tab, just uncheck it. Also you can delete it or hide it. Once you make changes, make sure to save it. Yeah, but we don't need it, so we will delete it because we have already added our sections, links. Okay, going back. Yeah, save it. Told you. Okay, now we have also same goes for the footer. Just one setting is extra, which is the social links. As you can see, the social links is added because it's on. You can alter this in the general settings of your admin panel. Going back, we have the main boss over here, homepage. Okay, by default you can see few sections are already added. अगर आपको start से मतलब scratch से शुरू करना है, you can delete everything and start from scratch. Yeah, this 3 dots has controls: duplicate, delete and hide. Okay, let us keep the contact us section. Okay, to add a new section, just click on this add new section. We have two categories over here, theme sections and general sections. In the theme sections we have dynamic sections and customizable content sections if you scroll down. Okay, so these are just small web templates which you can open, and you can see these are editable, so you can write like whatever you want. Yeah. Okay, also remember to save it. Yeah, but this part is up, this part is down, you want this part up. So to change the order of things in the sections, you just pull this up or down and it affects the order. Simple as that. Okay, moving on. Yeah, I forgot you to explain this dynamic sections. So dynamic sections is quite a powerful thing. So basically what it does is you don't have to do a lot of manual work. Like if you want to display your courses in your home page, just click on all courses with categories. Like we have a ton of options, so let's choose a category, courses, for this an explanation part. So we have added this category of courses. So particularly it displays the category which we have choose. So whenever you add a section or click on a section, you can see a small settings menu on the bottom. The settings menu basically karta kya hai? The orange menu where you can choose the category. So currently I have 2 categories in my admin panel which I have made. Let me show you. So currently I have 2 categories: Adobe Suite as you call it, and visualization. So it displays those 2 categories, and yeah. So if I want to show visualization, so I can just click on it and click OK. So now it will display the visualization side of things, like category of things, and also you can change this editable thing over here. So I want to show my audience that these are the top selling courses. So let's write top selling courses. Yeah, also you can just if you want some description over here, you can have it, or you can just simply delete it from this menu over here. Okay, I will also explain these menus in a bit. Okay, save it. Simple as that. Yep. Now let me show you some most used dynamic sections. So in the dynamic sections you have let's see what's the most used and the most useful one. Yes, this lead capture one. Yeah. So now we have added this lead capture form, where if you save it and let's preview, or you can also click this I button to show a preview of this website, which I've already done on the side. Okay, let's reload this thing, and you can see the top selling courses are now visible, and the form is also visible. So once any student enters their data over here, so let's write 9 and test message and submit it. Message sent successfully. That's now I'll explain you where it appears. Okay, so go to your admin panel and then leads and inquiries, and in the lead section you can see the form we have filled is appeared over here in this table. Yeah, if you don't see it, just change the branch and you can see it in another branch. Okay, so that's how lead capture works. Okay, let's say you have to add a section with a video, like a YouTube video. So we have a section called a video with text in our theme sections. So click on this and you can see a video with text is added, a YouTube video. So to change the YouTube video's link, you just click on this settings and just copy the YouTube video's link you want. So copy YouTube video's link, and then in the site builder just paste it, and yeah, it is appearing over here. You can directly play on this player. Yeah, just save it and you are good to go. Okay, now that you know how to add a section, let's see how to edit it and show you how formatting text looks here. Yeah, so this is the header. We have the formatting menu over here. So this is the bold thing, this is the bold option, this is the italic, this is the underline. Okay, this is formatting, this is strike through, superscript, subscript, uppercase, lowercase, or you can just clear whatever you have applied from this eraser tool. This is the next is the color thing, where you can simply choose black or white over here, or the list of colors over here, if you want some custom color. So आपके color palette में जाइए, आपका hex color code copy कीजिए and paste it with the hashtag. Remember the hashtag, अगर hashtag नहीं डालोगे तो काम नहीं करेगा. You can also add some RGBA values over here from the CSS code. I choose hex and just press this enter key, this key. Okay, not the enter. Yeah. So now you can see this, the color has changed. Okay, moving on to next formatting option, you can change the size of the font in this menu, the text settings. Let's keep it 76, a big thing. and then line spacing is the spacing between two lines, so I want it little as possible, so 1 more, so 1.6, so let's save it to 1.2, and similar applies for everything. So yeah, moving on. If you want to hyperlink something, so let's say I want this to be hyperlinked, so you have a hyperlink option where you can just link it. If you want to open it in a new window or a new light box, okay, so save it, and now you can see this thing is hyperlinked. Yeah, so whenever you click on it, the link opens. Okay, moving on, let's show you how to do this from the start, like from scratch. Okay, so adding a new section, we have quite a header over here, quite a lot of designs, so let's choose this beautiful girl over here, and yeah, this is a left aligned section. You can also choose a center aligned. Let me show you a center aligned section. Where is the center aligned? Yeah, this is center aligned. So there are a lot of things to choose from, so I don't want this. So to delete a section, either you can just click on this remove button, or you have this 3 dots and click on delete. Both does the same thing. Okay, so now you want to add something more into this. So now you know how to change the formatting. अब आपको और बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. So let me explain you few things. Now is the time to explain some controls of this website builder. So now you can see this traffic lights over here, and on this side also. Okay, to add a new section or a new element down here, you can just click on add new thing, and there are a few options over here. So you can add a paragraph, headline, image, text, lot of things. So let's choose a second headline. So this is a second headline, and I will you can just edit it or not edit it, and if you want to move it up in this section, you click on the 3 dot, move up, move down, or whatever. Okay, I want to change the font, so let's keep it 17 or 16, and let's say we want our studio. Okay, so you have added this. Let's say you want to add more buttons, so let me delete this first. Yeah, so you want to add 2 buttons, so click on add. You have 2 button option over here. Okay, now we have added 2 buttons. Now you want to change the image. We have a limit on the image size, which is 524 kbs or half a megabyte. So for changing the image, just click on this green button and choose whatever image you want. So let's see, we want to add this thing. No, not this. This thing over here. But now it's black and my whole text is disappeared. So just click on the thing which just remember the thing what I have taught you before. So click on the thing, this is highlighted, go to the color options, white choose करो, दिखने लग जाएगा. वैसे similar for this, choose white, and now you can see everything is visible now. Okay, just click on save. Okay, if you want to change the vertical height of this section in the website, what you can do is click on this blue icon button, setting button, and you can see the height section over here. So by default it takes 100% of your screen real estate, so it's relative. Okay, so if you're using a 15.6 inch laptop, that means it takes the full height of that screen. It's relative. So I'm currently using a 14 inch laptop, so it takes 14 inch of that screen. You can see over here. So it's also if you see this gray banding over here, that means you have a setting called parallax turned on. So turn it off and you will not be able to see that gray banding. So yeah, let's say keep it 75 and save it, and we will see what we have got in the preview. So it uses 75% of the screen real estate I have, and that's how you change the height of the section. So if you, let's say you want to change the width of the section, like the horizontal width, so what you can do here is just click on the section, the controls on the bottom appear. Click on this bottom blue button, and there's the general thing, and by default it's 1400. That means the max width it can possibly take. So you can start from 440. So you can see it's quite small. 500, this, like, just go on and see what fits to your choice. Okay, so let's say 1200 and save. So these are good for small devices. So now we have cleared the height and width section. And also to link buttons, you have this hyperlink button. Just click on this, paste your link on it, and some more things, and you're good to go for the button. Yep, save things, guys, remember. Okay, now creating a custom page. So for creating a custom page, just click on custom page, add new custom page, just give it a name, like, let's say about us. Yeah, and also you have to specify the URL. Yeah, so now that we have added the name and URL, just click on add. Add whatever you want from the previous teachings from me. Yep, and let's see what we have got. Yeah, this thing. Also, a part I missed, you can also add YouTube videos. For, let's say we have this basic section and you want to add a YouTube video in this, just click on this plus button and you have a YouTube video over here. So to change the YouTube video link, you can just click on the button, setting button on the right top corner, and paste your YouTube button. Okay, now let's delete it and let me show how to edit some buttons. So let's add a 2 button setup over here. To edit a button, just click on the small pencil button. Now you have few settings over here. So background color means the button color. Just paste your hex code, or you can choose from these colors. So I'm pasting my hex code over here, and you can see the border is visible, so I don't need the border. And yeah, if you want a border radius, just click on this and it will get the borders curved, as you can see over here. Yeah, also you can choose a wide variety of sizes over here. So we have extra small, which is quite small. I would like to choose it medium, and we have also extra large. So medium is okay for our websites. Yeah, also you can choose font size or letter spacing, upper, lower, and weight over here. Also hover is the effect when you hover on it. So let's keep something white, no, something dark over here when you hover. Yeah, this would be nice. Okay, same as BG, and let's see if it's changed. Yep, it changed when you hover. Yeah, but I want the text to be white and also to be a little bold. Now it's bold. Yep, now you have edited your button, but you want to add this button over multiple areas. So let me delete this thing. Yeah, so you want this button to be used in multiple areas. So what you have to do is just click on save button and save current button. So now this current button is saved over here. These are the 2 buttons which I created earlier for the earlier tutorial attempt, which I failed successfully, but this is the 3rd time where we saved it. So now it is saved. So let's say you want to add the same button in this top section. So click on this add button and add your button, and click on edit, go to save buttons and add this, and you can see the same button, the same effects goes from here to here on the same template. Okay, because we have saved it, you can use again and again. Okay, so most of the websites also use sliders. So let me show you how to use sliders in our website builder. So first you go to general settings, and the second option you can see is slider. So we have a ton of sliders over here. So let's choose this 3rd template. It's basically images. Yeah, now you can see sliders is added. as I have explained you before, the controls appear on the bottom of the section. So we have this control over here. So by default, these two gray images, you have to delete it. No use stupid images. Okay, click on this add image. This also is using our size restrictions, so remember to have your images under 5 to 4 kbs or half a megabyte. Okay, so we have 3 images for our sliders, so let's add it and give it a moment and it will be added. So first image is added. Let's add second image. Yeah, this one. Okay, and the third one. Cool. Also, you can change the order of the things over here. First, let's now everything is loaded. So I want create, teach, grow, but it is teach, grow, create. So you can just change the order of the things by just dragging and dropping. So now create, teach, grow is I think it's cool. Okay, so let's click OK, and now you can see it is a slider. Yep. Also, you have few settings over here. Cover, contain means it contains the, like, I will show you just right now. Why am I explaining it? So it's containing means it tries to show you the full image. Okay, but I don't want it. I want it to cover it. Okay. Yep. Now it's covered. Also, we have a few settings over here. Carousel means it's auto slide. Slider means you have to slide it. Autoplay, duration, and animation duration. You can just work it out on your own by trial and error method. Also, you have arrow presets, but I think this is fine. Okay. Yeah, you have set up a slider successfully. Now we don't have the option to add elements on the top of slider, so wherever you add a slider, remember to add your own text and buttons over here only. Also, you have an on-click action, so whenever you someone clicks on that button or on that slider, you have an on-click option over here. So you can just paste a link. What link we do have? Yeah, colors. Let's copy this. Okay, let's copy this link and paste it. Save it, and whenever someone clicks on this banner or slider, that goes to the website which we have linked it. Cool. Okay, works. Okay, now that I have explained you every formatting menu, I want to explain how to override fonts. Like, you have choose one font for everything, but you want to choose for a particular moment, you want to change a font. So you want this font to be something else, but how you can do it without altering every other font? So just click on this 3-dot menu, and you have this A thing, and you can change from here. Okay, there's wide variety of fonts, so click on whatever you want. So let's see what we have got here. क्या कर सकते हैं? Let's set with Avril fat face. Okay, so we have done this. Cool. Also, in that 3-dot menu, we have a lot of options which you can figure around and find out. Yep. Also, to add an icon, you have this icon menu over here, which you can this is the default library of icons which we use. So we are limited on this set of icons only, but it has quite a lot of icons. So let's choose this thing. So this is applied. Yeah, I want a space. See how to add icons in the buttons or where you want. So you are in a text menu, just click on the 3 dots, there is the icon thing, and let's see, we have a delete thing. So press space and there's a space. So you can add whatever icons where you can, where there can be a text. So in this 3-dot menu, the icon thing does the same. Okay,
That's it. Now you can make your own website for your LMS. Thank you for watching.